I'm Reiner. I accompanied the tow test during the last 2 weeks as a technical superintendent on board of the Scorpius vessel. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. This is the first step of the ocean cleanup towards a viable solution for ocean plastic. Cheers! We started off here at the yard. We got on a crew boat, head to the Scorpius, the big ocean tug which took us out. And as soon as we got on the tug, we stepped into like a big unknown basically. Of course, we've been testing at the North Sea on the shorter section of 12 meters. But 120 meters, out of which 72 equipped with screen, that's never been tested. I mean, with every wave we thought, oh, how is the system going to react? Will it survive? Will all the stuff stay on? I'm amazed by the stability of the system with like these big waves. The second day we hit 5 meters and it was incredibly stable. Upon the first inspection of the floater and of the screen, it proved to be basically untouched. The screen was perfect condition, and then every day after it's been one big testing event. Coming weeks our focus will be on first examining the screen. We'll look at every single stitch, every little connection to make sure that we don't miss the little details, because those details are what matter. Those details make or break the screen eventually in system number 1.